I have a package to unbox. It's a handbag. It's a bag that I recently purchased and I enjoyed it so much that I went looking for another one in another color or texture, and I found it. This one is very special, so let's get it open, see what it is, and I've never seen it in person, so let's make sure it's as special as it looked online. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury, living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. So like I said, I have a handbag unboxing here. This was a brand. I had never had a bag from them before, and I recently purchased one, and I loved it so much. I loved it a lot more than I was really expecting to. It really exceeded my expectations. And the price point is really good on them. So I thought, hey, why don't I look for another one? So I went on Google and I did, a Google search for the brand name and the name of the bag to see what else would pop up. And somehow or other, I came across this one, and it was only available in two places, like two different websites. The website I ended up purchasing it from, I had never heard of this website before. It's called Revolve, and it was $100 cheaper there than it was on the other site. Here is the inside of the box. Here's the inside of the box with nothing in it. And let me go ahead and get all the plastic off so it's not making so much noise, and then I'll show you. We'll look it over together. Ooh. Here it is out of the plastic. Now let me get the rest of this stuff off. Can you tell what it is yet? Here it is a little more revealed. Let's take a quick first look. And I'm wearing black on purpose to contrast with this bag, because it, even to my eyes right now, it looks black. And I don't know if when I edit the video if it's gonna look black to you or if it'll look the real color it is. But the color is called Ganache, which of course is a dark chocolate. And as you can tell, it looks like a snakeskin. It's a faux snakeskin, or a lizard. That would be snake, not lizard, right? I'm not up on my reptiles. There's a little bit of a closer look. You can see on the edges where the material is folded, you can see into the cracks between the little scales, and it looks a little bit more brown or orange, and it has the gunmetal hardware. It's very soft, and it has the chevron quilting, and in these lights it looks quite shiny. I'll have to get it out in like normal lights so I can see how shiny it really is, or isn't. I took the wrapping off of the two handles, and I have the front of the handle there and then the back of the handle up here. So you can see that those are both in the same material. There's a dust bag inside, and it is well stuffed. I found the tags. So you can see it's the Rebecca Minkoff Edie bag, the Edie flap shoulder bag in the color Ganache. The retail price was $348. I saw this, I believe it was on List. Pretty sure that was it. Or no, maybe it was Zappos. One of those had it, and it was the retail price of $348. But on Revolve, I got it for $244. And I've also seen this exact bag with the snakeskin in a color called Anthracite. It's a silver, like a darker silver metallic snakeskin. It's beautiful. She got it at Nordstrom Rack. I saw it there. It was only $150, and now it's not available there anymore. But Neiman Marcus has it for full price, $348, if you must have it. So I'll link that below too. Okay, like I said, I wore this black shirt on purpose to contrast, and I thought that would make it easier for you to tell that this is a brown bag. But I just took it out into different lighting situations and in the sunlight, and it's really hard to tell that this is a brown bag. It is so dark, it looks black. And I don't know if I like that about it, because I bought it because it was a brown bag. It looked brown on the photographs online. It looked like a dark brown, but definitely brown, not black. I already have a bunch of black bags, not that I won't buy more, but I already have bags that fit this like soft quilted chain strap crossbody black bag with gunmetal hardware place in my bag collection. This Coach Melody 29, for example, is black, and look at it next to the Ganache of the Rebecca Minkoff. That it looks black. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. My first instinct right now is to return it because of the color, because it's not what I thought it was gonna be. But let's take a look at it anyway. The only thing that I unwrapped that I can't put back together was taking the styrofoam off the handles. Everything else is still wrapped up. I still have the chain strap wrapped and I can just restuff it. But I recently purchased this burgundy Minkoff Edie bag. Exactly the same bag, just different color and pattern. And I love this so much that I really wanted to look for something else. When I unboxed this bag, we already looked at all the details of it. So let's just go over this really quickly and not go in as much detail as I did in that video. If you want to see more detail, I'll link that video below. There's the front of the bag. It has a flap with a flat base across there. It opens not with that snap hook, but with a magnetic snap that's pretty strong. Here's the side of the bag. Here's the back of the bag. There is a big pocket back here with a magnetic snap closure, and the fabric inside is black. Here's the other side. The base, the top with the two holes going this way, not this way with the chains, and they have metal grommets around them. And when you open the bag, it's lined in leather around here, but the rest is a fabric. There are two large compartments, this one here and this one here. Those are divided by this zipper compartment, and there is also a zipper on the back wall right there. This is not a compartment, this is just a little space. It's just a little space between the back flap and the inside compartments. It's not, you can't put anything there. You can't open up the center zip compartment and put things inside there. And I don't know exactly when this video will go up in relation to this video. Well, it'll be up after this one. Or in relation to this video, my Tory Burch Kira shoulder bag, very similar bag styles. I've also filmed a comparison, a very detailed comparison and a what fits comparison between these two bags. So I won't go into all that with this since it's like a duplicate bag. But I did want to unbox this with you and see it together, and I'm just feeling really disappointed with it. I do love the snakeskin. I love everything about it except the color. That's my problem. I love the color of the hardware. I don't love that the ganache it looks black and it's supposed to be brown. So that's disappointing, and I feel like I'm going to return it. But I have found some other colors that I like in this bag. There's a green one that I saw on eBay. Maybe I'll get that. There's a blue one that I really like, but it's the smaller size, and I don't know exactly what the dimensions in the smaller size are off the top of my head here, but I feel like it would be too small. So maybe I'll keep looking for the larger size in blue. I'm sad. I was really looking forward to this. I'm sad that I'm disappointed in the color. It's too bad. Sometimes life just isn't fair. Well, I'm gonna wrap it up. Thank you for watching. I hope that you and your loved ones are doing well. I hope to see you back here next time. Why do I say that? Because I don't see you. I hope you see me back here next time. Okay. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.